Hi, it's Professor Calamanis here. I'm just checking in with you guys. So I wanted to just show you that I have changed things around a little bit because I was sick this weekend. During the week. And so now it's Friday afternoon, and I just want to show you there's an announcement here about next class. So we're going to meet on Monday in person, as we always do. And there are two things to read. One is this article in Forbes, which is called Can You Hear Me Now? And you'll see this is about, the difference between our online selves and our multi-use domains on virtual reality and all the different ways that we interact with each other. And this is 10 years old, the article, so it's nice to kind of see the historical perspective, which we're going to talk about in class. And then we also are going to talk about this piece by Plato, which is kind of dense and a little bit long, so I would encourage you to spend some time reading it. And if you need help reading it, there's also some information on YouTube that you can watch. And so this is going to be talking about the moral argument and the ethical argument. So we're going to talk about that. So just kind of go back to the course now. And I just want to show you that, where's the course? Okay. Gonna go in, hold on. So we go into, let's see. Whew. Okay, here it is. This is where we left off. Sorry about that. So, if you see this, here's this Unit 2 in an optional revision. And if you go to calendar of assignments, you'll notice that everything now in green is what we've already accomplished this semester. So look how much work you've done for this class. This is kind of incredible, right? And here on Monday it says group work and discussion of the Turkle. The Turkle is right here, so you can click on that. And then here's the Plato. And it also says an optional revision. So if you're not happy with your grade on essay number 1, you can revise it. And so if you're not able to post it, you can bring it to class on Monday. And if you are able to post it, there's a spot on our assignments. So if I go to assignments, here's the draft, the outline, the final draft, and then I'm going to add the revised final draft. So if you want to do yet another revision, if you're not happy with your grade. Okay, otherwise I'll see you on Monday. Enjoy the weekend. It's going to be nice weather. And as I said, we just have two things to read, the Turkle and the Plato. And also there's this great image here, if you click on this, of this, this is a robot nurse, which she mentions in the article. All right, so I will see you guys on Monday. Have a nice weekend. Bye.